In this video, let's take a closer look at how lot size is calculated. It is not uncommon for clients to require lot size to be calculated based on risk percentage of account balance. However, what most clients don't realize is that this statement is incomplete. You must also give the exact method you're using for calculation. Otherwise, in theory, there could be an unlimited amount of methods you could use, and they all result in different lot size. Why do I say that? Let me just give you the three most commonly used methods here, using under the same assumption. This is the assumption we're going to make. First of all, we're using an account that USD is the deposit currency. And then we assume account balance right now is 10,000 USD, and your risk percentage is 1%. So you're willing to risk $100 on the next trade. So far, so good. And also, we're going to trade EURUSD, this pair. So because we're trading this pair, we know, and if our trade volume is one lot, 1 pip value is $10. Of course, 1 pip value is different if you're trading different lot size. So this is the assumption we're going to make. Then let's take a look at the option number 1. So for option number 1, lot size is calculated based on stop loss distance. And to calculate this way, we must know the 1 pip value for one lot. In our example, 1 pip is equals to $10. Okay? So the idea behind it is regardless how much the stop loss is, if the trade is unfortunately hits the full stop loss, being stopped out, it will lose no more than $100. So first let's see if stop loss is 40 pips. So because we know 1 pip is $10 if we're trading one lot, so if we're heading for full 40 pips, our loss will be $400. And we know we only are willing to risk $100. That makes your trading lot size is 0.25 lot. Okay, if the next trade, your stop loss is only half of as much, in this case is 20 pips. So obviously your lot size can be doubled, because when stop loss is 20 pips, if this trade hitting stop loss, you can still be only losing $100 if you're trading 0.5 lot. So obviously you can see this kind of method is closely tied to the stop loss distance. So for option number 2, the lot size is calculated based on how much margin required for each pair for your account. And the idea behind it is I'm going to submit the maximum possible lot size as long as my broker permit me to do so. And that is require us to know the account leverage and the account margin required for one lot for EURUSD. Let's say if my account leverage is 1 to 200, and at this moment the margin required to trade one lot is $750, and then obviously if you're trading $750 for the next trade, you're going to trade one lot. However, right now I'm only giving you $100 to trade the next trade. Then you can trade 0.13333 lots. Obviously, the most closest valued lot size is 0.13. Then this is the lot size you're going to trade. If you trade any more than this lot size, then it's going to require more than $100 margin. And so this is the maximum amount you can trade based on your account margin. Well, of course, based on you're only willing to risk $100 on the next trade. So you can see this method has nothing to do with stop loss distance. And also, as a result, different lot size you will get different lots. different losses, and when you hit stop loss, that was not our consideration. Our consideration is just to trade the maximum amount, giving the free margin required. For option number 3, it's actually very similar to option number 2, but instead to trade the maximum amount that account allows based on the margin required for each pair, and here user will define whatever that amount is. For example, like margin required for this pair is $750 for one lot, but this could be very aggressive for my trading style. I could decide another number, in this case, to every 1,000 risk money I'm trading one lot. User can define whatever value that is for this number. And then if I'm defining 1,000 and now my trading lot is 0.1, if I'm decided I wanted to be much more aggressive and use $500, then I can trade 0.2 lot. So this is a similar idea of lot number 2, but then allows user, option number 2, then allows the user to define how aggressive or conservative they want it to be. So now we can see we have 3 options, and they all based on same assumption of risk money of $100, but the end result for lot size is very different. So whenever you wanted to for your programmer to calculate lot size, you must define how much you're willing to risk and also what kind of method you're going to use. And those methods are not limited to those 3 options. There could be any other method you wanted to define yourself.